welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in my channel, welcome to my channel. Today Brian is going to install a decking board for the balcony for our A-frame. It's a cantilever balcony, by the way. So he will explain it to you guys how to do it, because I have no idea.
Okay. Okay, morning everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Day 9, I think it is, on the native cottage build. Just want to talk to you about the decking product I'm using and how it's applied and installed. The product is Evo Wood, which is a plastic product. It's WPC decking board. They're 2 meter 200 lengths by 140 wide. I got them from City Hardware, and I'm no way affiliated with City Hardware or Evo Wood, but if they like to sponsor us, that's okay. So yeah, I'll just explain to you how I'm doing it. Might not be how it's supposed to be done, but anyway, this is our deck here. It's going to be exposed to the weather because we're facing the ocean, and that's why I'm using this product, because we're going to probably have a lot of rain coming in here, moisture. So you can see I've put plastic down over the floor joist, the Marco. So this will help seal it from moisture, and I've also treated the wood with a wood treatment. So when you're putting down the plastic board, it's got a groove in the back, and this is your starter. So it goes in here first. I've already got this one down. So, and then the board slips into that, and that's your starter one. And then this one here is your next one for the other board to clip into. So each board clips in, so you see no nails, and just these stainless steel clips holding the boards in. So very easy to put down. Once you get a straight line, square, off you go, and it's just a matter of screwing these in with a screw. I'm using just zinc plated, but probably stainless steel screws probably would be better. But these won't rust. Will be a long time before they rust. So when you're putting these in, this is your join here. So you're best off staggering. Don't join them all in the one board. Stagger them. It looks horrible when they're all put on one joist. So I've staggered these.
Okay, so it just this would just clip into that.
Yeah, they just clips in.
Try again. Ah, okay. So you don't even need to hammer it, really. Ah. Thanks, Bob. Very good. Mura siya gasakay kabayo ba? Dundi.
Makes it easier getting the other board in when you leave the clips up.
And that's all what we have for you for today, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please do give us a like. Leave us also a comment. You may know something that you would like to share it with us. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click that red subscribe button down below. I will be uploading more videos, especially now that we have managed to put the rafters, the worker. They're not here at the moment because they gone and get more bamboos. We run out of, well, we didn't run out of bamboos, but we are a bit short of bamboos. So they gone down the village, which is just in front of our house, somewhere there. They gone and collect more bamboos to finish this project. So stay tuned, guys, to see my next video, and I'll see you all soon in my next vlog. Thanks for watching and take care, guys. Bye bye.